In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do noise reduction in DaVinci Resolve. If you have an audio clip with background hiss, room noise, or other unwanted sound, DaVinci Resolve has a simple built-in effect that can help clean it up quickly. The good news is that you do not need a complicated setup to get started. You can apply the effect directly from the Effects panel in just a few clicks. To begin, go to the Effects section in DaVinci Resolve and click it to open the tab. This is where you'll find a variety of tools and effects that you can apply to your media. Once the Effects tab is open, look for the search bar so you can find the exact tool you need without scrolling through everything manually. In the search field, type in Noise Reduction. This will bring up the noise reduction effect if it's available in your version of DaVinci Resolve. Searching for the effect is the fastest way to locate it, especially if you're working on a larger project and want to move efficiently. When you see the noise reduction effect, click on it and drag it directly onto the audio clip you want to improve. Make sure you drop it onto the correct clip in your timeline so the effect is applied where you need it. As soon as you do that, the effect will be added to the clip. And that's it. You've now applied noise reduction to your audio in DaVinci Resolve. After applying the effect, it's always a good idea to play the clip back and listen carefully. Noise reduction can help remove unwanted background sound, but you also want to make sure your voice or main audio still sounds natural. If the audio starts to sound too processed, too thin, or slightly distorted, that usually means you may need to check the effect settings and fine-tune them if your version allows for adjustment. A helpful tip is to use headphones while reviewing the cleaned OIST's audio because subtle background noise is often easier to hear that way than through laptop speakers. It can also help to compare the clip before and after the effect so you can judge whether the improvement is actually making the audio clearer. So whenever you need to reduce noise in DaVinci Resolve, just open Effects, search for Noise Reduction, and drag the effect onto your audio clip. It's a fast and beginner-friendly way to make your sound cleaner and more professional.